In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up alerts on ZipRecruiter so you can automatically hear about new job opportunities that match what you're looking for. By the end, you'll have an alert ready to go and you won't have to keep manually checking the site for updates. To start, open your web browser and go to the ZipRecruiter website. You can do this by typing the website address into the address bar at the top of your browser and pressing enter. Make sure you're on the official ZipRecruiter site, not a third-party page or an ad. If you already have a ZipRecruiter account and want alerts tied to your profile, it's a good idea to sign in first. That way, your alerts can be saved to your account and are easier to manage later. If you don't have an account, you can still follow along, but you may be prompted to enter your email so alerts can be sent to you. Once the home page loads, look for the main job search area. You'll usually see a search bar where you can enter what you're looking for in a job. In this area, find the section labeled keywords or something similar. This is where you'll tell ZipRecruiter what kind of jobs you're interested in. In the keywords section, type a keyword that best describes the job you want. This might be a job title such as project manager, a skill like Python developer, or a field such as digital marketing. Try to be specific enough that the results are relevant, but not so narrow that you get almost no jobs. For example, software engineer is broader and will give you more results than a very specialized job title. If you're unsure, you can start with a broader keyword, see the kinds of jobs that appear, and refine your keyword later. After you've typed your chosen keyword, press enter on your keyboard. This tells ZipRecruiter to search for jobs that match that keyword. Give the page a moment to load. You should now see a list of job postings related to what you typed. Take a quick glance at the results to make sure they're in the right direction. If they're completely off, you can adjust the keyword and press enter again until the results feel like a good fit for what you want. With your search results on screen and your keywords set, look for the option to create an alert. On many pages, this will appear near the top of the search results or close to the search bar. It might say something like create alert or get alerts for this search. Click on the create alert button. When you click it, ZipRecruiter may ask you to confirm an email address or sign in if you haven't already. This is how they'll send you new job postings that match your keyword. Follow any on-screen prompts, and once that's done, your alert is active. That's all you need to do. You've set up a job alert based on your keyword search on ZipRecruiter, and from now on, new matching jobs will be sent directly to you without any extra effort.